Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, I will be making a sandals out of this old sandals, and this is already rubbish sandals. I will be using also this denim fabric from one of my crafting. I'll be using a piece in here for my sandals, for my DIY sandals. So the piece from the denim jeans is this one. I will show you later how did I took this one, where did I took this one from, and also this. And I will be using also nylon thread for sewing my sandals because it's quite hard. And also I'll be using a huge needle for my sandals, and also a glue stick with a glue gun. And also I'll be making a little bit of sewing in there, so I'll be using a small needle also and a thread. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is the denim jeans that I took from one of my crafting. See, it's already ruined and sabby. So I will be taking a piece of like this piece of fabric in here. So I took this one from the side here. As you can see, there's a side in here like hard sewing in here, right? So I'll be cutting this one and become like this for my DIY sandal strap. So this one will be the strap of my DIY sandals. So guys, I just cut it like this one. To make it strap for my DIY sandals. So here it is. It should be the same size as this one, as I got the first one. So I'll be cutting it from here because I don't use measurements, I just calculate the length. So I'll be putting this aside and use this one. So I already have this two for the two ring here. This will be the for the toe of my feet like this. So I'll be also making a flower for my toe. So later I will show you guys how to do it. And for now, so I already split it into two so that this thing will go through in this hole. Okay, go through here up to here. So already split it up, and I will start now, guys. So before I proceed everything here, so I'll thread my huge needle first for me to make it easier later. See, so it's already threaded, and make a knot at the end of the nylon thread, and it's already done. So set aside of this one first, and this one is also the same length, okay, for the toe ring like this. And also this one, wait, I will cut neatly here. So there's a okay, so these are already done. I'll set aside this one first, and I will show you guys to make this one. Before, I already shown one of my video here on how to make a flower from denim, so maybe you can check it out, guys. But I will still show you how to make it just in case you feel like not going to that video of mine, so that yeah, just make it like this. And I make it 5 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it has 5 petals of a flower. So I already fold it into 5, and now I'll be cutting it curved line here. Okay, or you can use also a real flower, like plastic flower or a fabric flower, but so guys, this is it. Okay, and then shrink it, and when you shrink it, I have to connect. Okay, so this is just simple as this, and connect the end of the cover, and only this. Oh my god, OMG. Okay, now it's already done. See, this for the toe ring of my sandals, DIY. Okay, so it's already done, and I'll set aside this one first, and later I will show you guys on how to use this one. So guys, the purpose of this one, this two, I mean, is for here. Okay, fold it into two so that the length will be equal, and put the flower in here, and sew it here like this. This also can use a glue stick to stick on this flower, but I just want to sew it here so that it will be durable, more durable. I will just make a sew in here so that it will not easy removed when it gets wet. Okay, but this is just for a house of sandals. I will not use this for walking so far, but depends on the place I go to. Like for example, I'm riding a car, maybe I can use this one, but if I'm walking, I cannot use this for like so far for a long time, otherwise it will just yeah, this is it. Now it's done, so it's just this way. Okay, and then later on I'll be putting it here. See, so I'll be using this. Okay, I have to press it, and also this. So it is done now, and now I'll be proceeding this here. Okay, okay, and it's quite sticky. So we're done. Okay, so and there, and also this will be here. So we're making a T, letter T in here. Okay, this. I gotta press. Okay, so the other side. Then press. Okay, so I already did this too. Okay. So this here. See? It's quite hard. done, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. See? So this is it now. My DIY sandals made from recycled denim jeans. So this is now, guys, my sandals. I will try this one and show you what will be look like on my feet, or how will be look like on my feet. So guys, here it is, my DIY sandals made from a recycled denim, parts of denim. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icons for your notifications. Thank you guys. Bye.